Hey guys, welcome in today's video, and in today's video we are going to be doing a classic unboxing. Well, this is my first episode, so on our first episode of classic unboxing, we're going to be opening this Net 10 wireless Samsung Galaxy Centura. Also forgot to mention this, but I got the phone at a flea market for $5. So yeah. Anyways, let's get back onto the video. As you see right here, Net 10 is a I'm pretty sure it's a subsidy of TracFone. And as you see right here, this is what we got right here. The Galaxy Centura was released around 2013. So officially this phone would be around possibly 12 or 11 years old by this point of the time of recording this video. So this phone is a pretty old phone. And as you see right here, it has this limited time offer sticker. If you would have bought this phone back in the day, you would get a free $25 Google Play credit or gift card. As you see right here, no contract, unlimited data, text, talk. You see here's your here's like how much you pay for the service, and here's the US coverage map. So yeah, and here's your "this phone will not work" sticker. And here's the specifications: 3.5 touchscreen, Android 4.0. I don't know what 4.0 was. I think it was possibly Jelly Bean, but I'm not too sure. Oh, by the way, you can hear my cat. Anyways, 8 megahertz processor, 3G/Wi-Fi connectivity. So pretty much, yeah, you can't really connect this phone anymore because it uses 3G. But anyways, 3 megapixel camera/video recorder. And screen image simulated. Okay. And here's the last top part. I'm kind of tired of reading it, so yeah. Here's your side right here with the Net 10 logo. And here's the top part, which there's nothing. So yeah. Opening this, as you see, here's the phone itself. And here's what you could get with your service, blah, blah, blah. You can pause and read if you want. And here's your specifications again. And I don't know what this is about, but yeah. But anyways, let's open her up, shall we? I'm gonna try to be a little bit careful, because this phone is old after all. And I don't know exactly how old this device is, but yeah. Let me just, I'm gonna try to create a little way for the phone can open, so the phone can open for itself. And here we go. Here is the phone itself, the Galaxy Centura. And I did get this at a flea market for $5, so for a sealed phone like this, it's kind of a steal, you know? So yeah, here's the phone itself. Here's the activation card. It probably might not work, so I'm not too worried about it being used or whatnot. So anyways, opening this thing up. Ooh, that's pretty hard. I don't know how you open this thing up, honestly. Let me just use the knife again. Yeah. Actually, okay, I think you open it like that. I don't know. Here's your manuals and blah, blah, blah. That doesn't really matter. Okay, so I've actually had to manhandle the plastic packaging on this just for this to get work done. So as you see right here, here's the phone itself. Here's the back, which I don't see an SD card. So, or well, not SD card, SIM card. But yeah, here's where you would put your micro SD cards in. I hope this is not an issue when trying to boot up the device. So yeah. Anyways, let's put the phone right here, and let's open up the other contents of the device. Which I'm gonna take all this out real quick, and yeah. As you see, here's your 2013 Samsung brick. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I don't know if it charges well though, but you got that. Your micro USB cable, and your back cover and battery. Can't forget about those, of course. And some more manuals. Oh, and this. I'm pretty sure this has a code. So I'll get to this in the next video, just in case. So yeah. See if it's like redeemable or not. So opening the back cover up, see what it looks like, see how it is. It's all brand new, it has the seal and everything. Here's the battery itself. I'm unsure if it's gonna work or not, but if it won't, then I may have to buy a replacement one off of eBay. But anyways, placing it on the back of this phone, as you see right here, and putting on the back cover. And yeah, now let's just get rid of the let's get rid of this real quick. There we go. And now the back too. There we go. Brand new smartphone. Let's see if it will boot up after years. Oh, I heard a vibration. Oh, it's actually turning on. Wow. I am surprised. But it probably... Let's see, will it last? Oh, there we go. We got the track phone splash screen on there. And oh my god, this phone is actually on. Y'all, that is insane. This thing still works after 13 years of it not being on, of course. Alright, I'm gonna skip the Wi-Fi for now. Set date. We're gonna put it all the way to 2025 because it's 2025. And let me check my phone real quick, or my actual one. February 23rd. Yeah, or February 23rd, 2025. Set time. Time is currently 4:03 p.m. and apparently it has Australian time. I'll set that up to my local time zone. Not now. Sure, why not? Take all my data, Google. services, and setup complete. There we go. As you see, I don't think it has TouchWiz on it at all. So, yeah. Okay, yeah. I think this is Android ice cream or something. Ice cream sandwich, yeah. So this is on Android ice cream sandwich. So, yeah. Anyways, that will wrap up for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then why not give a like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.